crappie is one of the most popular fish across the United States for people to go fish all year round. So recently we've had some great trips, filled the freezer up, and I'm thinking, you know what? We're gonna try some blackened crappie within our Bradley smoker. And really, this is one of those simple recipes. I've melted a little bit of butter right here. This is gonna be a little bit messy because of the butter dripping off of it, but that's okay. We've got 6 really nice sized crappie fillets right here. And now all I'm gonna do is shake the blackened on here. And you really wanna use about a teaspoon. I generally use more. I like the spice. Now all we've gotta do is open it up, put it in, and adjust our smoker for the exact time and length that we're looking at cooking. Go do whatever it is we've gotta do and let the timer do the rest. This is an automatic unit right here. Every 20 minutes, it's gonna kick another biscuit into the water to help generate that smoke. You also have the option to do it manually with the little wood chip button down on the bottom, as I call it, and you basically push it and it's gonna kick another one out there. It'll drop another one in 19 minutes, and that'll be all the smoke that we absolutely need for this crappie recipe. Won't be long, we'll be eating good. Well, there's you some blackened crappie right there, and that's gonna be some pretty good eating. I think everybody that's not home today is gonna be pretty disappointed once they see us start plating this up, because that is a tasty meal right there, and it's so easy to cook in your Bradley smoker.